What's up, y'all? If you are looking for a cute updo to do on your natural hair with clip-ins, or like I did with a frontal wig when you don't feel like curling your hair or whatever, it just looks super classy and put together, stay tuned. Alright, so I started off with this Flawless Halo unit. This is how it looked when I styled it and installed it. And days of working out, running errands, being a mother, this is what she looks like. This is fresh out of the bed. She's not really tangled. She just smashed. I smashed her really bad, but as y'all can see, the lace is still lacing, but the hair is kind of sweaty and worn down because I frequent the gym. So what I'm doing first is detangling with a detangling brush from roots to ends, and then going really deep into the scalp. Then I'm going to part out the bangs. So I just did like this triangle section right here because I did still want you to see like my edges on both sides. So I just picked out this triangle piece and I repeated it on the other side, and I kept the hair that's going back, and I combed it all to the back, making sure that my roots are super flat. My head is small, so making sure that this wig, as thick as it is as flat as it needs to be so it looks good. Then I take it and I twist it in a low ponytail. You can use a hair tie. I just don't like using a hair tie. I don't like how that looks. And you kind of like French roll it up, and I took a big claw clip. And it was hard to open. And I clipped my hair up and I flipped my hair back. I like the little flyaway pieces and just gives that like volume at the top, very like 90s vibes. But this is what's gonna make your hair look like it's styled. So going on every part, I am digging the comb in and laying the flat part of the comb against the part and directing the hair in the direction that I want it to go. So the goal is to get the bangs super flat on each side. So digging the comb in, sliding it down, pressing the back end of the comb against the lace in the part so that it can be as flat as possible. And as y'all can see, like it's super laid at this point. I'm taking the clipless curler that I linked in my wave video and wrapping the hair flat around the barrel away from my head and twisting it up, and I'm holding it away from my face. And as it cools, I pull it a little bit at the top, so when it cools it can have that like bump on the side to like frame my face. So again, I'm going and wrapping flat on the barrel, and I am combing down, and it just boop. And sometimes you gotta work with it. Sometimes it don't be given. So I'm trying to work with it and get it to go where I want it to go. I kind of want them identical. So I guess it kind of looks good right here, but it wasn't good enough for me. So I'm flat combing it down and trying to get that bump to be where my other bump is on the other side. Then I'm taking the barrel and I'm just taking those pieces on the top of my head and just picking them up, random pieces. Not every piece needs to be curled, but I think it just looks more cohesive when majority of them are curled. So some straight pieces, some curl pieces. Now I'm going in and kind of like fluffing out my curls, and I'm just showing you guys how it looks on each side. I kind of want my hair to cover a little bit more. So I'm combing and I'm gonna spray and comb and spray and just lay it right. I'm just trying to show y'all how long it actually takes me to get the hair into place, honestly, because it does take a little minute. Now this is the part, is my favorite part. Okay, so I comb the hair back and press the back of the comb to get that little hump. I love that little hump. Me and that hump have a great relationship. That is my favorite part of any lace unit, is to comb the hair back and have it like coming forward. I just love that. I don't like when lace comes just like straight hairline. Like I like to see that you have a hairline. And I'm taking my even spray and spraying it on my lace. Like I told you guys, I be going to the gym, so this unit is glued down, but it lasts well. However, sweating and pulling it and all the combing and everything like that does make the lace come up, of course. So me just re-adhering it to my scalp, that's all. And here is the finished look, and just me playing with it and getting it. You can go back and raise your clip up higher. And I'm just trying to get the curls to just be really seamless and crispy. That is the one thing that I enjoy doing, is just getting the style kind of crispy. But that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like this video, and always leave out living. Bye.